Okay, we got lots of cars here. Is it a Challenger? There's a Camaro.
So you guys want to do a test? Okay, ready? I'm gonna
test me.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Hellcat. Hellcat. You can't see that logo very good though.
3. Don't say it.
That car's not part of the car show.
What is saying?
The car.
1.
Whoa, dude, this is the SRT8.
3. This one.
That's a Chevy. That's a Chevy. You don't see this every day.
Toyota, Honda.
I'm posting this video on YouTube.
Ooh, it smells like gas.
Yeah, I know, because all the older cars and stuff. That's a Chevy Nova right there. That's a Camaro. That's definitely a Camaro.
You definitely did that on purpose. I did not.
What?
She littered. It flew away. No, I don't know where it went. Shut up. I don't know where it went. No,
There's a Nova right there.
It flew away.
What flew away?
My voice cracked. Hey Barbara, what's up?
It's a Corvette right there.
I see you, Mom.
There's lots of cars. I don't think that's a Stingray. I don't think that was a Stingray. Where's the garbage?
There's gotta be one on here somewhere.
I think there's one around there.
We'll go back in there, right there. Inside.
Where? Oh. I got ice cream up my sleeve. I got ice cream up my sleeve too. Let's check out this Corvette. It's nice. I know you can't see the cars very good though. There's that Nova. It's got drag radials on that. The Nova's got drag radials. Ma. The Nova's got drag radials.
Somebody's like.
That might be an SRT8. There's those two cars actually. Took a picture of the Hellcat earlier. And it was a Hellcat. Yeah, I took a picture of it. That's a Ford. Yeah. It's a GMC. There's lots of cars at the car show. I thought there was going to be a 64 Impala. There's not. It's a Hyundai Genesis right there. 2010. Is that a 2010? Yeah, it's a 2010 Hyundai. It's a Jeep. Look at that. Oldsmobile.